Hello, hello. So it seems that the most popular videos on my channel right now seem to be the Ubuntu videos that I made. And I made those on my old computer. It was the Q6600 CPU and stuff like that. So when I record this, that computer is 9 years old. And I was actually having some issues with Ubuntu. A lot of problems with different software, and I had to restart the computer several times a day. So I actually went back to Windows 10, and after that I actually got a new computer, and I thought that Ubuntu would work better since it's new hardware, but it was the opposite. It was actually worse than the old computer. So Linux seemed to be working better on older hardware than newer ones. Um, and the problems that I had with the new computer was that I tried Ubuntu 16.10, but that wouldn't even, well, it kind of installed, but it kept crashing all the time after installation. And when I finally got in, the computer just froze and stuff like that. So I thought, well, I'll try Fedora 25. Same kind of problems there. Just the computer freezing up, stuff like that. And people saying that, well, you got faulty hardware. Well, that's kind of weird because that faulty hardware actually works in Windows 10. So, yeah, that's not the problem. The hardware is not the problem, it's the software. So I'm actually running Windows 10 on my new machine, and I run Linux as virtual machines instead. And I know you should kind of run the Linux on the real hardware to get the real experience. And I kind of agree with that because you learn better that way, running it as your main machine. And I learned a lot running out as a main system. But since I got problems, I just went back to Windows 10 because it actually works. But right now I got Ubuntu, the latest LTS version, which is 16.04.1. It's a virtual machine here, so let's see details. So there you go, 1604 LTS. So that's the hardware. And also running right now, I got the Fedora, and it actually locked itself. So this is Fedora 25, and it's running the GNOME desktop. It looks quite different from the regular Ubuntu that runs Unity. So yeah, and I actually think that GNOME looks a lot better than Unity. So details on this one. So this is Fedora 25. So running GNOME 3. There you see the version of GNOME. Yeah, it's VMware. So that's that. So I'm kind of new to Fedora. So Fedora is sort of the free version of Red Hat, kind of. The same company that develops Red Hat develops Fedora. That's what I heard, at least. But it's the free version. Red Hat costs money, and this is sort of the free version of Red Hat. And I'm kind of new to Fedora, and also I'm kind of new to GNOME, but otherwise it looks kind of different. Wow, those are big icons. Otherwise, I like the icons and stuff. I just kind of installed this. I haven't really tried it out. It works a little bit different than Ubuntu. The commands are different. Because Ubuntu is basically based on Debian, and yeah, the commands are completely different. But Ubuntu has a lot more software included than Fedora. But I kind of like Fedora. It's you can install the apps that you want. So yeah, that's kind of the reasons I'm not uploading that many Linux videos at the moment, because right now I'm just running them in a virtual machine, and right now I'm just using Ubuntu to have. Okay, it's actually removed Spotify icon for some reason. So yeah, I'm just using this as a media machine. I don't really have that much software here, and I just. I wish it actually could show you all the applications, but you have to search for it. Or at least, as in Fedora, you have this option to just click a button here and view all the apps. I wish there was the same thing here, but it's not. Oh, there, maybe it is. No. So yeah, but anyway, it kind of works in as a virtual machine, and this is how I will run it, and it works really great as well. I'm running these two machines on this two RAID or two SSDs in RAID, so they load really fast, and I give them 5 gigs of memory each. Otherwise, yeah, that's why I don't really have that many Linux videos uploaded, because I'm not really running this very often. It's just for testing, perhaps. And also, there are some software that I have on Windows 10 that doesn't exist or doesn't work the way I want on Linux. So that's why I run Windows 10. So yeah, a little video about that and why I'm not really uploading that many Linux videos at the moment. So I might do them in the future, where I'm actually running it a little bit more. So yeah, a little bit update video about that. So see you later.